Today we are live reviewing the Yummy Hamburger Press. We are going to have the man of the house start making the burgers. This is the first time he's used the kit. Make the burgers. I only have 1 minute and 30 seconds, sir. He is taking the raw meat in his hands. He is breaking it into a smaller piece. 19 seconds in, we are already doing it wrong. Okay, so the Meat Master, he's forgotten a piece. He's flattening the burgers in a very precarious manner. Well, that looks pretty good. Okay, now, that was the wrong way to do it. So now we're going to show you the right way, but it still looks pretty good.
Wait,
that goes in there.
That goes in there. Though.
Yes, it does. It makes perfect sense. Go ahead. We're live reviewing this product. The man of the house is making burgers. That's supposed to help you get the meat out. So he's taken these chubs from Costco, which are very handy, and broken them in half. So that's about the size of the burger that we want. Okay, so he's mashing them, and he is now... Oh, look at that. Now it's perfectly flat. It's much better looking than it was. Okay, now let's get that burger out of there. That's going to be some awesome... There we go. Look at that. Woo! That's an awesome burger. Okay, take it out there and put that on the grill. We are done. So, that is the Premium Hamburger Press. We will get the full review on Itsabella Baby blog. Thanks to the man of the house for making the meat go on the plate for us.